so just going to go through a tutorial of adding a door or cutting a hole in the wall and then adding the door in. So a couple of things here I might want to do. That door I brought in from the warehouse. Now what I'm going to do is just use the rotate tool to rotate it 90 degrees, and I want to get it. Now see how it's sort of not quite picking what I'm after. If I can force this with my cursor or my arrow keys on my keyboard. So there you go, I forced it now. One click there, and then I can bring this one out and I can click a second click, and now I can rotate this around 90 degrees. Alright, so I've rotated it. Now I can begin to move this over and put it in here, but first I must cut a hole in here. So I need to know a couple of sizes now. If I go to my tape measure tool, I'm going to just go and check. That should be 900, and I'm going to go top to bottom as well. And it's telling me in the bottom right hand corner 2150. All right, so I'll go back to here. I can't cut a hole through that wall unless I get inside the group. So I'm going to double click on it. I'm now inside the group. I can see the dotted lines. I'm going to use my rectangle tool and I'm going to snap one there and bring it up. And here I'm going to go 2150, as that's what I measured, comma 900, enter. And that has given me the size that I want to cut out. So I'm going to go push pull, P for push pull, and just onto the back of the surface there, snapping it to the back, and that cuts the hole through. Alright, so now I should be good to bring this in. So let's have a look. M for move. I might snap on one of the corners here, maybe that corner. And snapping to that corner. Alright, now let's have a look. Pretty happy with that. Let's have a look on the other side of it. Now see how this is coming out quite a bit from the thickness of my wall. I do have the ability there to edit the size of this door, or the thickness, quite quickly and easily. So if I just hit space to exit all commands, click on my door and hit S for scale, it brings up these nodes that I can grab and drag. So I'm just going to have a click on this middle one here, and I want to click on this surface or this edge. So it's going to take it to that. Alright, so now just by doing that, I've now corrected that door thickness. Now that same concept can be applied to any window or door. Particularly in my case, this was the right width door for that spot there, but if it wasn't, if I go Control C on that item, Control V, if that door was not the right thickness, I could place it in there, and then I could use that same scale technique, S, and grab this one, middle, and I could bring that out or remove it in, that kind of thing. So we can resize objects quite quickly and easily using the S scale feature. Now one other thing to consider is your door, which way it opens. There's no hard and fast rule on this. If I've got to have a window here, maybe I don't want to open it and block my window. If I'm opening it inside, it probably makes more sense to me to do what I've done here. So my door opens up against that wall rather than taking up space inside this zone here. So just have a think about your exterior door. Should it open inwards, outwards? Is there a reason to put the door handle on the left or the right?